Welcome back. Working on the C10. The C10 is now mine. I've purchased the C10 from my uncle. Let's see. Oh, the plug was right here. I don't know where I put it. What the hell? Spark plug right. Oh, here it goes. That's the first one. We went with Excel. Where's part number? 0576S-4. Got the headers on here. Got the back one done. Got to get the rest. Should be an easy. That one's easy, that one's easy. Keep y'all updated, let y'all know how it goes. Hopefully she runs better after this. While we wait, we hydrate. Yes, sir. Got some shop dogs keeping me company. Got another one out. It's that milkshakey color. The YouTube list says that's a good thing. Got some oil on there, that ain't good. Back to it. It's the last one on the passenger side. That's a wrap.